Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeada here. For those of you that are new, if you are new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Glamour Squad, especially while you're already here. Today's video, as y'all can tell by the title, y'all, we are talking all things organization, and I'm super excited for this video because Temu sent me over some items to organize another space in the house. Y'all know I've been big on organizing my space, from the little closets to the two main closets in my room. So the fact that they reached out to send me this, I'm like, this is great. It's a full circle moment because y'all know I've talked about Temu multiple times on my channel. Me and my mom love to shop on their website because one, everything is affordable, and two, it's like if we think we need something, we go straight there first because we're pretty sure we can find it on that site. So shout out and thank you to Temu for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over some items to organize another space in the house, so I'm super grateful for that. I cannot wait for y'all to see the items. Everything will be linked down in the description box below. But if y'all don't know what Temu is, where you been, sis? Because like I said, I've talked about it multiple times and I love their items, okay? I love their stuff. If you're looking for home decor, they got it. If you're looking for organization and storage items, they got it. If you're looking for makeup, clothes, home and garden stuff, car accessories, like, they have it. Literally everything that you could think of is probably on Temu for the low. All right, so let me show you guys what they sent over. Y'all hear that? We got some good stuff. Let's go ahead and open this and get organizing. Y'all, this right here, Temu. I ordered this like a while ago, but if you're looking for the cute little cloud, they have them. And they come in like, I think 2 or 3 packs. But let's see what we got. Oh, and might I add, Temu has free shipping. Free shipping. It don't get no better than that. We have us one of the cute little drying racks that goes onto your kitchen sink. And I know y'all seen these. So this is the foldable rolling dish drainer, and I just wanted one of these just so I can have onto my kitchen sink when I'm washing dishes. I can just prop them up on here. And then y'all, this is what I have been waiting for. A storage rack, a 2-tier storage rack. I absolutely needed one of these, especially for my cleaning supplies that I have underneath my kitchen. So we're gonna be putting this together and putting our items. So all of our cleaning supplies are gonna go onto this underneath the kitchen sink. So yes, I've been waiting on this one. And just so you know, it does come in black and it also comes in white. So if you don't want black, y'all know me and my blacks. If you don't want black, they do have it in another color for you. All right, y'all, so next up, I believe these are the stainless steel. Oh yeah, all right. So these are the stainless steel sink sponge holders. And y'all know I got the color black. This came as a 2-piece, and you could just stick these onto your sink. I probably would only use one for now, but it comes with the adhesives that you can stick on the back to stick to your sink and put your little dish sponge in there. My dish sponge is currently just sitting on top of the sink, so the fact that I got this and could have it out of the way, I'm like, thank you, Jesus. Thank you that they make something like that, because I don't like how the sponge is just sitting out on the sink. So this is perfect. And they give you 2 of them. Like, that's even better. All right, so the next item is something that we probably all need, because who is guilty? Comment down below if you are guilty of keeping the grocery bags from the grocery stores, the plastic bags. I'm definitely guilty, and I currently just throw them up underneath the sink. I have like this little book. It's supposed to be like a bookcase. Not a bookcase. It's supposed to be like a book holder, but I currently have plastic bags in there. So I ordered this. I ordered this. It's this plastic bag dispenser, and it's like this cylinder shape, like here, and you literally can put the plastic bags in this, y'all. I was like, this is brilliant. I can literally just hang this on the kitchen cabinet, and when I'm ready, I can open the door, grab a bag out, and I don't have to be reaching all up underneath to try to find the plastic bags. Like, so immediately when I seen this, I was like, oh yeah, add to cart, because I need one of these. So if you need one of these too, they also came in different colors. The link again is down in the description box, but we gonna show y'all how this is put to use today. All right, so we also got us a little hook to put on the cabinet. That way I can have literally just like this. It can go on there and it can hold my bags. Perfect. Okay. So I know y'all ready to see more, because I'm ready to show y'all more. We also got, let me open it up. This is for your cords, y'all. I know I'm guilty of this too. Like for my air fryer cord, I literally just have it hanging like in the back. But now if you purchase one of these, so this right here is an appliance plug cord winder. I love the fact that I will be able to take my cord and literally wrap it around here, and that's less cord that you have to deal with when it comes to organizing your appliances on your counters. Like, who would not love these? And who would have thought to order this? At first I was like, what is it? But then I went back and looked at the pictures. I'm like, I need this. I need this. I really need more, but I just ordered one just to kind of see how it would be. So yes. Now moving out of the kitchen organization things, I also ordered a travel toothbrush case. And this is perfect for like your toothbrush, your toothpaste. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. You can just take it out, put your stuff in there, and you can be on your way. So this is perfect. How cute is this? It's like this blackish gray color, but you literally can put your phone cord in here. You can put, like for me, if I'm carrying my camera batteries, I can put my camera batteries in here. Like everything that is just, like I said, thrown out in your purse or in your bag when you're traveling, you now have a home for it. So this is perfect. And these, okay, look. Okay, y'all see when my voice get a little get high, I get a little excited. But y'all, how cute are these? These are for your perfume. So when you don't have, if you have your favorite perfume and you don't have it in a travel size, you can order these and you can put your perfume in them. So I ordered one in gray and I ordered one in black. This is what it looks like. And you have your top, and you literally just put this here. There you go. Y'all see that little like spot there? You literally take the top off of your perfume, press this on to fill it up, and you will be able to see it filling up here. Press this on to fill it up, and then squirt, squirt. Like, when I seen these, I was like, oh yes, I need them. But they are so cute and the perfect travel size. And look, you can even pop them in here and they fit. Okay, so you can have your perfume in here, you can have your phone cord in here. Everything can go in there. This is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. And last but not least, I ordered this for my rings because I have been wearing a lot of rings lately, and I've been picking up a lot of rings, and they need a little place to stay, right? So we got this, and it has little slots here for your rings. I currently don't have on any rings to show y'all how they would be, but if you look up close, you can see the slots for the rings. And it's this like velvet felt material. So yes. All right, y'all, so that was everything that we received from Temu. So again, thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and put together this storage rack. That way we can organize up underneath our kitchen sink, as well as putting all of our little grocery bags into this little dispenser here. Put our sponges where they need to go, put our dish rack where it needs to go. And yes, y'all, so let's go ahead and get organizing. And again, everything that you guys saw me show, they are linked down in the description box for you to purchase. So let's do it. All right, y'all, so because these like pipes and stuff is right here, this doesn't allow me to put this here right in the front. You can see like it's stopping it, so I'm gonna have to put it off to the side, which is okay. So I'll remove these. All right, so I got it off to the side, and it still allows the drawer to pull in and out, so that's great. So we're just gonna go ahead and put everything back, put our little dispenser for our plastic bags over here, and we might just end up putting the acrylic bin back, but just without all of the cleaning supplies. Alright, y'all, so this is currently the cord for my air fryer. And you see I usually just have it like down here, and then I plug it in, take it out. So that's where this will come into play, where I can stick this onto the back and just wrap the cord enough for it to be able to plug in and plug out. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. I'm just gonna take this, stick it onto the back of there. Peel this side off. So I'm gonna stick it like right here. Above this little QR code and right up underneath the vent. Then I'm just gonna take this and wrap the cord. And wherever you feel like is enough, you could just put it through the middle part here. And then I can be able to plug it in and out. So then I can just plug it in for y'all, but you can see that we no longer have the clutter. So the sun is pretty bright. Let me move that up some. So see, you can now see that we've eliminated all that extra cord. So yes, I like it. So therefore I'm gonna have to order some more because I'm gonna have to do the same thing with my microwave over there. All right, you guys, so this is gonna wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. If so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Glamour Squad. Follow me on Instagram, glamour_chick, TikTok, Yeada_B. Hopefully this video inspired you to go and organize your space and also shop Temu. If you are a new user, go ahead and click the link down in the description box to download the Temu app and claim your $100 coupon bundle. And also use code ACD701168 at checkout to get an extra 30% off your order. Everything that you guys saw in this video is linked down below, so make sure you go and shop Temu. Thank you again, Temu, for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.